Hey guys, it's Angela. I'm gonna try a open cup, I think. At least that's, I don't know. I've been mixing paints for about an hour and I've been playing around with what exactly I want to do. And I think I want to do an open cup. So I've got this cool Hexagon canvas and I want to do like a fire and ice, obviously, with all the colors that I mixed. And these are all the paints that I used to make up all of these colors. And don't tell my mom that I'm using my Christmas present. She's probably watching this video, so if she is, go ahead and comment and you can yell at me that I opened my Christmas present before Christmas. But anyway, so a lot of these are the Arteza Pearl and metallics. So that's what, some of them are just the straight pearls. Like this is that canary yellow, and this one is tangerine orange, and some of them are mixed with some other colors. So like this one is this pearl amaranth red, but I mixed it with Amsterdam Naphthol red medium because it was just a little too pink otherwise, and I wanted something a little bit more fire looking. And this is just a straight crimson from Master's Touch. So this is straight phthalo blue from Winsor Newton, which I actually have never used Winsor Newton paints before, but I know Rinska Dauna uses a lot of them for her Dutch pours, so I figure I'll give it a try. And yeah, so let's see. So I'm gonna move these out of the way. Alright, I had to pause it to move some of those paints out of the way. Otherwise it was going to be, I foresaw disaster happening. So now I'm just trying to figure out how I want to do this. So. Okay, this took a lot of fiddling. I think it'll be worth it. We'll see how it dries. So I'm just going to take you in for a quick close-up while it's still wet. So here is the ice side. And no silicone in here. None whatsoever. Paint, Floeteol, water. Lots of pearl paint. Lots of different paints. Makes lots of reactions. And that open cup makes lots of cells. So, no silicone. I might have to fix that little bit right there because that looks a little, yeah. Or maybe I'll leave it. I don't know. It's a little bonus, right? Maybe it'll morph into something. Maybe I'll change it because that's going to stand out to me anyway. Yeah, so let's see how this dries. So this is about probably good, like 90% dry. There's some spots in the red that are still a bit wet, so I'm only going to leave it on the wall long enough to film this, and then I'm going to lay it back down. It's not moving anymore, but it's definitely still glossy in some spots. But first of all, look how shiny. All those pearl colors in there. Oh, and that part, that's just the part that's wet. So I'm going to try not to touch it accidentally. But yeah, it didn't, you know, I wish I had more negative space. I mean, I can poke, you know, my criticisms at this all day, but, for the most part, I'm pretty happy with it. I went back after I had shut off the camera, and I, just sort of made it fiery, like, you know, like kind of made the red more wispy, and then left the blue more solid. And then I, you know, kind of added some more wispy things in the red, because I wanted it to really sort of look like flames. You know, and then ice kind of just has that, like, soft, sort of ethereal look, or at least that was in my head, kind of where I was thinking. And I did sort of try to break up that little eggplant that was right there. So yeah, overall, I love the cells and lacing that this created. I'm definitely going to play around with the pearl stuff. I have some color ideas in my head for what I want to play with today. So I'm probably going to go do that next. Whether or not that's the next video you see, I don't know, but I wanted to make sure that you saw this. So anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching, and hope you guys are all staying nice and warm. It is snowing like crazy here in Massachusetts. So have a great day, and see you in the next video. Bye, guys.